Hey everybody, Hope Zvara back again with the In the Corner Fitness. We're going to be doing a corner push-up today. Super easy in the fact that it's not complicated, but you're still gonna get a full body workout, and obviously with a little bit more of an incline, you can feel successful with those push-ups that many of us might struggle with. Let's get started. All right, so we're going to be doing more of a tricep push-up, so that means the elbows are in versus out. Shoulders are back versus hunched up and forward. Now one hand on each side of the counter and then up onto the balls of the feet. As I come forward towards the counter, my elbows are coming in and then I'm pushing back up. Let's see if we can go for 10. Here we go. 1, exhale, push back. Core is strong. 5 more. Core strong, 2, and 1 more, and push off. So, a few years ago, it was a goal for me to be able to do 10 consecutive push-ups. You wanna know how I started? Doing them in the corner, in the kitchen, doing them on the stairs, on an incline, and I slowly worked myself back to be able to be completely horizontal on the floor. Every little bit adds up, and these are one of those things that do just that. Great job.